Hey guys, welcome to Techies and my name is Aravind. So if you are watching this video in my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for the more updates. So let's get started. Today we are going to learn about HTML tables. So generally what do you mean by table, right? So what does table consist of? So generally table consists of a table heading and the data inside it. So generally when we are kids, so in school days we will have some registers which consists of some headings like date, roll number, name, and what about the status of the candidate, whether he is in the class or not. So we'll take one example so that you can feel more better so in getting how the HTML tables is going to work. So let's get started. So generally consists of a table consists of a table head and data inside it. So how you can create a table heading, so and what is the syntax for that? So generally we in the previous tutorials for how you can create some paragraph tag or h1 heading tag. So similarly table tag consists of table opening table tag and closing table tag. Inside that we are going to write our data. So generally table consists of multiple rows or multiple columns. So every row is unique, means in the first line it's one row. So in the first line it consists of date, roll number, name, and some multiple columns or some multiple headings. So everything is in a row, so we have to write in a row. So tr is table row. In the tr we are going to declare our heading. Th is table heading. So first one is date, and another one is id number, and one more is name of the student, and another one is status. So this is the table heading. So table heading, this will be displayed in the first line, right? So and in the another row we'll take similarly, we'll give the data here. So date and all we are going to declare here. So what is the date today? So today is 12th of Feb 2020, and so as this is the first data, id number is 1, and name, let me take my name, Aravind, and what is the status? So it's present, right? So this is how the table tag will look like. So we'll take it in the browser now. So let me use one text editor called the Sublime. So here I will create a new file naming table.html. So HTML is the basic form we can get here. So title is HTML tables, and so what I'm going to do is, so I'll take a table tag. So table tag, so inside table tag, a table tag consists of table heading and table data. So where those should be declared in a table row. So tr is a table row. Inside the table row we are going to take thead as the table heading. So what I'm going to declare is date, id number, name, and status. So for now I'll show you it in the browser. So let me take table.html. so this is how it's going to look like. So date, id number, name, status. So something which is not really good, but I'll make style in some time. So this is something bold. So table headings are always bold. If you take another, right, So if you add some data, so these are TDs, TD. So TD here we are going. So close that. So date, what is the date here? 02 and 2020. So what is my ID number? 1, and I'll take it as Aravind. And so what is the status? Present. Yes sir, present sir. So date, so you can now see, so date is a table heading and it's a data which is normal text. This is bold and this is normal text, sorry. So how can you feel better? So how to do that? So we have some CSS properties, so how you can do that? So for the table I need some border. So for border I need for table I need a border. So I'll take, so every row has some data, every row has some data. So what I'll take is, so every row at TH and TD. So before we have to declare in the style. So TH is a table heading and TD is the table data. So I want a border for these two. So border, so 1px solid, and give some color. I'll take it as blue because it good better. So just right, you can feel the border here. So even though it is not good, so let me add some more styling here. So table, we need to have only one line here. We are seeing two lines and two borders. So I need to merge those things. So I want to merge the table here. So table, so border, there is one property called border collapse. So where you get where the two lines get merged, collapse, right? So how beautiful it is. So it's clearly mentioning that date, and so for every heading there is a border, so you can clearly identify what is the what for that. Okay, so let me take it in the center. So no, I will use for the more like I will use total width of the body page. So I'll take width is 100% so that the total body is occupied. So this is how it's going to look. So something is missing. So if you add more and more data, it will look good. So let me take the same data here, something like, let me reload. So yeah, so this is how it's going to look. And now so if you want to make this text into the center, so don't worry. So for every tr, like just take tr and text align is center to make it in the center. So now you can feel that. So what is the status? Clear structure of a table. So if you want to declare a heading here, if you want to declare a heading, so there is one tag naming caption. So caption, you should declare it inside the table, not outside the table. So now this is called attendance register book. So here you can get. So now using all these, so we have declared some HTML table. Okay, now I want to highlight background color, and I want to change the font size, or I want to change the font family itself. Now so font family and all, you know, right? In the previous tutorials I have clearly mentioned how to change the font size and tag family, right? So now I'm going to I want to highlight, so this one with some background, this table row and this table row. So these are even, so 0 1 2 3 4. So if you want to highlight this, so these are even. So how you are going to highlight is in the table row. So those are child tags. So there are child tag. In the child is a tag name. So and even is the key. So I want something background color is like light gray is something like which is similar to white. So this is how, so the even row numbers are highlighted. So if you want to highlight odd, so you can change here to odd, just reload, right? So these are odd numbers, so this will be highlighted here, right? So this is something cool, right? So in the next video we'll catch up and we'll discuss more about HTML forms. And so thank you, please make sure to subscribe.